Hello students, how are you? Today I am going to teach you first chapter in class 6. Nat comes to Plumfield by Louisa May Alcott. First we will discuss about author. Louisa she was American author and she is known for her best novel. She has written so many novels. We have listened so many things related her when she has written Little Man, Little Woman, Joe and others books, Bloom and Eight Cousins. So these were some her popular novel. She was born in 1832 in America. She had died in 1888. So we had discussed about the authors, and it is the third book in the series because we had discussed that the so many novels she has written, and it is one of them. So let us discuss about summary. Beforehand we had discussed about authors. Now we are moving towards summary. Before starting summary, I will introduce the characters. How many characters are there? Nat, it means he is a protagonist, main characters. Joe, owner of the school, and Franz, Teddy, Tommy. So many characters are there, 8 to 12. But main characters are there. Nat. The story now it begins from here. Nat he comes to Plumfield and he is asking to someone who is here, who is knocking the door, and the servant he came to before him and he is opening the door and is asking that who are you? Nat he is not giving answer. He is very surprised to see the buildings, conditions of building school, because it is rounded square school, and it was not a school, it was just like a house, but I mean that it was looking. Why? Because Mrs. Joe, now she was very well woman and she was looking very carefully to all the children. So I mean that you can say that she was looking just like she has any specializations in children, because she was looking very well, she was managing very well. So Nat when he come to Plumfield, so he report to the servant that he has been sent by someone else. Who has sent Nat? Mr. Lawrence. Mr. Lawrence now he has written letter to Joe about Nat, and when Nat now he goes to house to the school, so he has seen so many things like grassy field, long trees, and everywhere it is looking green and green, means Nat now he can like this so much. So that's why without telling anything, now he start playing over there. He start playing and he met Tommy Banks, he met Teddy, he met Rob, he met two French, and he got so many friends over there. So when Mrs. Joe, when she came before Nat, Nat has given letter to Joe, and in that letter Lawrence had written, please see to the child because he is orphan. Who is orphan here? Means Nat. Nat was orphan and he was discovered by Lawrence only. That's why the Lawrence now he has written in his letter. He is orphan boy and his father and mother had died. So that is a better you can see to him, you can analyze his skill, and he is very interested in uh, violin, and maybe you can provide him a such type of instruments so that now he can present himself before you and just you can see, and it is very difficult time for him, so please see to that child. And this is a skill in yourself. You can manage children, you can manage kids, and that's why everyone they like to Joe, Mrs. Joe. At last when Joe now he came to the school, he has played over there, he met to the different students. At last now he uh, played instrument violin, and Mrs. Joe now she was telling that he can't do a such type of thing, means he can't play. But Nat now he played very well before him, and Mrs. Joe now she become very happy. Other childrens now they become very happy, and at last now Nat he said that he can't be complete these things, and maybe this is the chance which is given by Mrs. Joe, and he will be apologize, he will be very thankful regarding her behavior. So this was a little information about this chapter, chapter 1, Nat comes to plum fields. So you have to be read your chapters, need to be understand, and I want to tell you and suggest one thing. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share it. Don't forget to uh, bell icon, tap the bell icon so that you can get all the information related chapters, grammar. Thank you very much.